In this short video I want to show you how easy it is to replace a UV lamp in an Oase Filtoclear filter. Sorry for the lost audio, but something went wrong with the recording. A UV lamp is essential for keeping your pond water clear and healthy. It eliminates free-floating algae, bacteria and parasites, improving water clarity and reducing maintenance. To ensure optimal performance, replace the UV lamp annually. You can easily order replacement UV lamps online for about 40 euros, ensuring your filter keeps your pond water crystal clear. To replace the UV lamp, simply loosen the screw and pull the blue part to unlock the mechanism. Lift the top black part out, then remove the top metal piece holding the two lamp parts together. Turn the locking screw to detach the metal part, and now you can take out the lamp. This is the new lamp. Handle it with care and keep it partially in the cardboard box to prevent any damage. Insert the new lamp into the socket and reattach the metal parts. The beauty of the system is that you can leave the pump running while changing the lamp. When installing the filter, make sure to leave about 1 meter of electrical cord from the filter. I didn't know that and had to extend the cords later. The only thing left to do is insert the lamp back into the filter and you're all done. Push the blue part back into place and you're all set, keeping your pond algae free for another year.